So I recently bought myself a GoPro 8. I've been using a GoPro 3 for many years, and I actually really like the camera. It's great. When I mount the 3 up here on this this RAM mount, I get good video. I've got no complaints about it. Of course, the 8 does very well up there as well. Now the problem is when I mounted the 3 down here on my crash bar, it shook pretty bad. Now I was using a different mount. I was using this mount, which is not a RAM mount. I think it's actually a GoPro mount. I actually don't even remember where I bought this thing, but it's not a very robust mount. And what you'll notice in the video is when I have the GoPro 3 mounted down here, I get a lot of shake going on. I bought the 8 because the stability software in that thing was incredible from what I'd seen, so I wanted to test it out. I used this mount for both the 3 and the 8 down here. Now granted, the videos I'm going to show you are probably about 3 or 4 years apart. Different highways, different times of year, but I think the results just speak for themselves, ignoring the differences in times of year and whatnot. So let's have a look.